Hey everyone, welcome back to Globary Digital Innovation, where we dive into the coolest digital tools and the latest in AI technology. Today we're diving into a tool that's a favorite for a lot of creators, marketers and businesses, Canva. Whether you're making social media graphics, presentations or even videos, Canva's got something for everyone. But the big question is, does it still hold up in 2024? Stick around as I break down Canva's main features, including its AI-powered tools, templates, and collaboration options. Whether you're using it for personal projects or business, by the end of this video, you'll know if Canva is right for you. Alright, let's kick things off with one of Canva's strongest points, its user interface. One of the main reasons people love Canva is because it's so easy to use. You don't need to be a graphic design expert to create something amazing. Whether you're working on a laptop or on your phone, Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes designing simple. From social media graphics to posters, presentations, and even resumes, Canva has templates for just about anything. All you have to do is pick one, customize it with your text and images, and you're good to go. Now, let's dive into what's new in 2024, Canva's AI-powered tools. Canva has introduced some impressive AI features that make designing even faster and more efficient. The AI Magic Resize tool, for example, automatically resizes your design to fit different platforms. Let's say you create an Instagram post and want it to fit as a Facebook banner, just one click, and Canva's AI does all the work for you. If you're looking for even more advanced options, Canva Pro's AI features really help take things to the next level with things like Magic Write, which helps generate text and headlines. It's a massive time saver, especially for content creators and marketers. One of the things that makes Canva stand out is its ability to support team collaboration. If you're working on projects with other people, whether it's a business team or just a group project, Canva makes it super easy to collaborate in real time. You can invite others to view or edit your designs, leave comments, and track changes. One of the best features for teams or businesses is the Brand Kit. This allows you to store your brand colors, logos, and fonts in one place. Canva's AI helps you stick to your brand guidelines across all your designs. Now, this might come as a surprise. Canva is not just for static images anymore. You can actually edit videos in Canva now, and the process is just as easy as creating graphics. Stories, YouTube intros, or quick promotional videos, Canva has got you covered. You can add clips, text, transitions, and even animations with just a few clicks. The interface is super straightforward, making it perfect for people who need quick, polished video content without using complicated software. Canva also offers pre-made templates for videos, which is a huge plus for anyone short on time or design experience. So, is Canva still the best design tool in 2024? Absolutely. Whether you're just getting started or you've been designing for a while, Canva offers everything you need to create beautiful visuals quickly and easily. From its intuitive interface to its powerful design tools, Canva makes it fun and simple to bring your ideas to life. And with features like collaboration tools, video editing, and Magic Resize, Canva is perfect for creators, businesses, and teams alike. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Keep creating, keep editing, and we'll see you in the next video.